I'm Professor Andy Frank.
So what's the average mile per gallon?
Well, if you want to think of it that way, this would be essentially getting about 200 miles per gallon. But I don't like to use that term because that's misleading. Because the way this car is designed to operate, this car is designed to operate all electrically using electricity only for the first 40 miles, 60 kilometers. And then it automatically switches to using liquid fuel. So the first 60 kilometers, it uses no liquid fuel at all, and that's infinite miles per gallon. This particular car, we call this the gold standard of conversion. We take the engine, transmission, and throw it away, and we redesign a much more efficient, much smaller engine. This engine is only 1/3 the size of a conventional. The transmission is much simpler, and the weight we save in the engine and transmission we put into batteries. So this car essentially can weigh the same as a conventional car. And since it weighs the same, actually we project that the cost is the same as the original car. What I project is if the car companies were to do this and use our technology, they could build a car that costs no more than a conventional car, the same cost. But they have to build at least 100,000 to 500,000 units a year. And when we get to that level, it'll be the same cost as a conventional car. Sure, when you only build 10,000 or 15,000 or 20,000 a year, it's going to be a lot more expensive. But the key is, and that's my goal, is to see that this kind of concept gets into high volume production so we can drive the cost of batteries and electric motors and all those things down. And we can do that. And once that happens, these cars should cost no more. And what have we done at that point? What we've done is we've shifted society from using liquid fuel to electricity, and that's where we want to go.
So the Volt is based on your technology?
Well, our technology is more sophisticated than the Volt, actually. Of course, I'm going to say that, but it actually is, because the Volt has no transmission. This has a transmission, and this transmission technology is, it's our unique technology. It's our patented technology. So.